Hey, Minnesota Travel Guy here with Volume 4 of Minnesota Travel Guy Speaks. Talking about the side hustle again. Side hustle, side hustle, side hustle. You gotta have a side hustle. I noticed on my last video, people were dropping off after I went off and I put the New York stuff on there. So I'm not gonna put the New York stuff on there. We're gonna talk about having a side hustle tonight. So, restaurant managers, restaurant owners, managers of any business, business owners. Side hustle. I quit my very lucrative job because I started a side hustle back in March of 2021. It is, as I film this, it is September. As you can see by the foliage behind me, it is September of 2021. And I was able to quit my job. Am I a millionaire? Absolutely not, just like I said last time, but I am paying my bills. And it's all due to an education system that I researched and found out that it was legitimate. And the man who runs the place, totally legitimate, wants to change the world. And what a good guy. I challenge you to hit the link down below. It'll take you into, well, let's talk about, let's give you Internet Marketing 101, shall we, before I go on? So, Internet marketing is all about sales funnels. If you don't know what a sales funnel is, let me tell you what a sales funnel is. In Walmart, or any of the grocery stores you currently go to, have you ever wondered why the milk and the eggs and all the crap you need is in the back corner? It's because it's a funnel. It's a sales funnel. They are going to funnel you through all the other crap you don't need that that you know you're going to buy. You're going to buy some of it before you get to that milk and eggs and butter that you actually need, and cheese and lunch meat, the things that you really need. I challenge you to think about any grocery store that has all that crap up front, because they don't. They take you by the bakery and the deli and all the other canned goods and the candy bars and everything before you ever see. But before you ever get there, you're going to go past all that stuff. That is what a sales funnel is. On the internet, it's something a little bit different. It's not a physical place, it's a digital place. So a digital funnel is somewhere where I'm going to send you. All you got to do is click that link below. And it is my digital funnel. I've had to stop this several times because there's a little bit of wind out here and it is blowing my camera over. So beautiful Minnesota day, just a little breezy, but that's keeping the bugs down. But anyway, back to funnels. So you click the link down below and you will enter my funnel. Internet Marketing 101. It will ask you for your name and your email address, and that is just so that I can correspond with you. And then it will send you to my thank you page, my thank you video, where I will explain to you how I started this and how I am a total believer in this system, because let's face it, I'm making the money I needed to make. I want to make a whole lot more, and I'm getting there already. So you'll click on that, you'll watch my video, it will take you to a place where you can download a PDF, and then there'll be a sales video there, of course, where I believe you can buy a course for $39. That course alone could put you on the same path I'm on. Now I went further into the education, and this is an institute, and it just made money, top money magazine 500. It is a legitimate institute. It is not a scam, and that's all I'm going to say about that. It is not a scam. It's legitimate. It made money, top money 500. It just the gentleman who runs the place just made the top 100 podcasts in the world. He is for real and legitimate, and I trust him, and I hope he trusts me. I would not send you somewhere wrong. I'm the Minnesota Travel Guy. That would do me no good whatsoever than to suggest something that was crappy to you guys. That would not do anything good for my business. So, I challenge you, as a business owner, a restaurant manager, a restaurant owner, restaurant worker, click that link below. It is not going to hurt you one bit to take action and make a plan to either A, supplement your income, or B, get the hell out of the restaurant industry, or C, supplement your business income if you're a restaurant owner, what can that hurt? And there is absolutely no pressure beyond you clicking that link to spend any money whatsoever. So get your side hustle. This is a gift from me to you. Do I make a commission if you pay 39 bucks? Yeah, I do. It's monstrous. It's like 4 bucks. So it's not really about that. It's about changing the world. And yes, I mean, if you go on into the Institute like I did, you will get the opportunity to learn so much from experts in the marketplace that teach you step by step by step. I'm 57 years old, knew nothing about the internet. I now have a YouTube channel that you're watching right now. I have a Facebook fan page that has over several hundred viewers. I have a Facebook group that has people in it that I talk to on a daily basis about this, and I've told you to join my group, and that is at Facebook/groups/the Prep List Now. I also have another Facebook group called Facebook.com/groups/the Traveling Foodies. It is just about food, and what restaurant person isn't about food? Join them both. Join them both, but I think more importantly today, click below where I say click here to enter my funnel. Go check it out. No pressure. If you don't want anything of that's there, then don't get it. Just back out. Sign up for my Facebook groups, and we will chat and we will do all kinds of things. And you'll learn recipes and how we can all cope in the restaurant industry. A side hustle is never, ever a bad thing. And I'm just telling you that the folks that are teaching these courses are the real deal, the real McCoy. They don't leave you. They don't leave you stranded. Customer service is phenomenal. If you have a question, they're right there. They have internet educational opportunities almost daily for me to listen and watch and learn more and more about the internet. It is a phenomenal course of action. Take action. Take action today. And in 6 months, you could be replacing your income like I am. How cool would that be? It doesn't mean you have to quit your job or sell your business, but it means you probably could if you wanted to. Or you could keep your job and your business and have money for your college kids, your kids' college education, for your college education, for that new boat that you've wanted forever. This is an opportunity for you from somebody I hope you trust. I think I've done a lot out here without trying to sell you anything. Come join me. Come join me. Click right below this. I'm going to have a click here to join my funnel. Click it. Click it and go check it out. Please feel free to respond to me and tell me, hey, I didn't like this crap, or man, I love this. Or if you just have a question, Lee, is this really legit? I'll tell you everything. I am an open book. I will tell you everything about it. Before you take any more steps in that funnel, I am here to guide you through my sales funnel. Oh, has Walmart ever given you a guide? No, they have not. I'm offering you a guide through my sales funnel. Click it. What can it hurt you? It costs you nothing. Take action today for your future. I finally got fed up enough to do that back in January, and it took me to February before I actually clicked the damn thing. I'd be 2 months ahead. I'd be making probably twice the money I'm making right now if I'd have started in January when I first watched the video I watched, like you're watching it today. Take action. It can hurt nothing. And the first step of this costs you absolutely nothing for the ebook that they put out. But I will say that on the $39 deal, past that, I know that is going to go up shortly. So you only have a short period of time to get that deal at $39 or $40. It's either $39 or $49. It's $189 value. So I know they're going to remove that pretty quickly. So click on it. Take it. It's 40 bucks. It's less than you spend in coffee most months for a future that could be awesome. I quit my nearly $100,000 a year job, and I've replaced my income enough to pay my bills. I hope you'll join me on this journey. Until next Wednesday, talk to you.